This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Beech. Nestled within Farragut's sought-after Kings Gate subdivision, this home presents an enticing renovation opportunity. With recent upgrades like new PEX plumbing, newer AC and roof replaced around 2014, the groundwork is laid for a transformative renovation project. Downstairs boasts a spacious family room with abundant storage, while additional convenience is found in the laundry room. Positioned in a serene locale with easy access to amenities, this property awaits a buyer with vision to craft their ideal living space. For more information, review the details below or contact Beech at 865-693-1111.